Okay, you guys, so I want to talk to you about what cavitation is and what cavitation is not, okay? So the laser lipo machine, it is used to help with inch loss. It is not a weight loss mechanism, okay? It is also not a replacement for a good diet. When you are doing cavitation treatments, diet and water intake play a part in that as well. It is also not a replacement for bariatric surgeries, okay? You can have clients that are larger, but there are certain protocols that you need to enact to give them the best results. The other thing, you guys, that it is not for is extreme skin elasticity issues. If your client has lost 200 pounds and they have skin hanging, the radio frequency on this machine is not going to be the best thing for them. It can't always replace surgery. So depending on your client's needs, you really need to know what the capabilities of this machine is so that you can say, yes, this is a good fit for this client, I can get you good results, or no, it is not.